Hi everyone, welcome to Cultural Anthropology. I am your instructor. My name is Dr. Jennifer Faux-Campbell. I hope you will enjoy the next 10 weeks of this course. You told me a little bit about yourself, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. I am from a small town called Danville, Pennsylvania, which is in the central part of the state. I went to Bloomsburg University for undergraduate, where I studied anthropology. I met my husband there as well. We met playing pool at the student union. For graduate school, I attended the State University of New York, University at Buffalo, which is a mouthful. We called it SUNY Buffalo for short. While it was an inhospitable environment due to the snow, I greatly enjoyed living in Buffalo. The food was great. The city itself was wonderful, and it was very close to Canada. So I had the opportunity to go to places like Toronto and Niagara Falls quite frequently. While I was a graduate student at SUNY Buffalo, I was a teaching assistant for World Civilizations 1 and 2. And my doctoral advisor taught the course, and I was one of his teaching assistants. Unfortunately, he has passed since then, but I was very thankful for the opportunity, especially because it allowed me to get to know him a little better. After I had my 4-year stint teaching for World Civilizations 1 and 2, I became an adjunct for 1 semester at SUNY Brockport, where I taught an anthropology course and a archaeology gender course. Shortly thereafter, I taught at Luzerne County Community College as an adjunct for 5 years. I taught anthropology and sociology there. I also completed my dissertation while I was teaching there. It took 10.5 years, so I was so thankful it was finished. Shortly thereafter, I was hired at Palo Verde College, and I wasn't sure how I was going to react to the desert. So used to cold environments, but I love the desert, and I couldn't ask for a better place to work. Palo Verde has a great student body. The faculty is fantastic, and I couldn't ask for better administrative support. So I am so thankful to have this opportunity. I'll tell you, I'm going to end a little bit with talking about my likes and dislikes. I like hiking. I love to read. Love traveling. In fact, my doctoral dissertation focused on the site called Teotihuacan in Mexico. So I do enjoy going to places like Mexico. I unfortunately miss it due to COVID-19, but I'm hoping to get a chance to travel soon. And most of all, of course, I love spending time with my husband and our 3-year-old son. So I'm just going to close by saying I hope you all have a great experience with cultural anthropology. And if you have any questions, you can contact me through Canvas, the inbox, or you can email me at jennifer.campbell@paloverde.edu.